Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the last segment of Aapki Kahani with Deepak Parvani. Now, this is the mystery box that we have gotten. इसके अंदर सारे तोहफे हैं. कहा ये गया है कि जो परफॉर्मेंस बेटर करेगा, डब्बा उसको जाएगा. Performance.
I always perform better.
सरवत इंसिस्ट करती है, वो परफॉर्म बेटर करती हैं. फहद चुप हैं. अब देखते हैं किनकी परफॉर्मेंस बेटर है.
I can win this for you.
All right. Okay, let's put these back.
Please.
And here we are. The first questions are coming to you.
Okay.
If you perform better, then the whole डब्बा just goes to you right away. फिर फहद से बात करने की जरूरत नहीं है. लेकिन उनको ट्राई करके देख लेंगे कि होता क्या है. Ready? 3 things no one knows about you.
मैं जाते हुए प्लेन को देख के हमेशा दुआ करती हूँ कि ये सेफ लैंड करे. मुझे जोर से दरवाजे बंद करने पे बहुत बहुत no.
I have sliding doors in my house.
Yeah, it's just so painful. और तीसरी बात ये कि I'm a very good listener and I am a good secret keeper. So
react on one word to the following. One word: marriage, award shows, TikTok, or lip fillers.
Marriage is a work in progress always. Award shows.
One word:
overrated.
TikTok.
Not on it.
Lip fillers.
If you really feel
if you
have the right doctor.
If you have the right guy. If you have the right guy. Come on, guys. Come
So
on,
many out there.
Give credit where credit is due.
Okay,
if you have the right guy.
If you have the right doctor, but so many out there.
If you have the right doctor.
So many out there.
Okay, rate these actors in terms of looks.
Okay.
Looks. From 1 to 5. It'll be easier. Fawad Khan.
5 being the highest.
The top, yeah.
4.
4. Bilal Ashraf.
4.5.
Shahryar Munawwar.
4.
Out of all your male co-stars that you worked with, who's your closest friend?
Mikhail Zulfikar.
All right. 3 male stars you would like to work with that you already haven't.
I'd love to work with Bilal. I've worked with Shahryar. I would love to work with. I've worked with so many of them. I just feel Bilal Ashraf is a good actor.
Somebody you've not worked with.
Somebody I've not worked with. So yeah.
The worst pickup line someone tried on you.
You don't look like a mother of 2, which is true, but it's kind of outdated.
Yeah, that's what they keep on saying to my mother also.
You do. I'm like,
Mommy. Deepak Parvani or HSY?
Hi Allah.
Hi Allah, baby.
Yeah.
Baby.
Deep Y.
All right. Myra Khan, Mehwish Hayat, Sabaa Qamar, rate them 1, 2, 3, any criteria you choose.
Sabaa Qamar, a fantastic professional.
So number 1.
Number 1. Mahira Khan, a fantastic human being.
Number 2.
Mehwish, again, a fantastic actor.
Number 3.
Number 3.
All right. Have you ever had a crush on a co-star or a colleague while working on a project?
Yes.
What?
What?
क्या?
हाँ, जब सिंगल थे हम.
अच्छा, okay.
नाम
नहीं, नाम हम नहीं बता सकते.
If you woke up one day as Shaista Lodi, you would?
Unbox my fillers.
Unbox my fillers. Best and worst part of
my fillers.
Dissolve my fillers.
Hyaluronidays.
Shaista, we love
Some
you.
days.
We love you. We still do.
Listen, Shaista,
why do you got issues with the fillers?
You gotta unbox it. Yes.
Best and worst part of being Sarwat Gilani.
Best part of being Sarwat Gilani in Pakistan is the love and respect that I get. It's very humbling, truly. The worst part is when I'm hiding, they recognize my face. They recognize my voice. So I can just never hide and do anything like crazy.
अगर आप एक्ट्रेस ना होती तो आप क्या होती?
मैं माइकल एंजेलो की असिस्टेंट होती.
क्या बात है.
मैं पेंटर होती.
क्या बात.
और मैं सब सीख लेती हूँ उससे.
कभी-कभी तो ये कहती है काश मैं प्लास्टिक सर्जन होती.
है?
कहती है I have long fingers. Sometimes you say that.
Like I have
nimble fingers.
Yes.
Nimble fingers.
Nimble fingers.
इन लोगों को आप क्या एडवाइस देना चाहेंगी अगर आपको देनी हो तो? सना जावेद, मथीरा और मायरा खान.
Why would you do this to me?
I'm just asking.
No pressure.
No pressure. Okay. Mathira को मैं देना चाहूँगी कि she should come back to hosting. She was a nice host, but वही again थोड़े plasticity कम करनी है. Mahira, we love seeing her, and we're very proud of her for representing Pakistan on every level with a lot of dignity and grace.
Yeah.
Advice आप क्या देंगी?
मैं advice मैं दूंगी कि फिल्म करें नैरेटिव देख के। टीम्स तो वो हमेशा अच्छी लेती हैं, बट नैरेटिव भी बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है,
जरूरी होता है।
एंड इट्स ओके अगर माहिरा मेन लीड ना भी करे, कोई ऐसा कैरेक्टर करें जहाँ पे उनको अपनी वर्सेटिलिटी एज एन एक्टर दिखाने का मौका मिले। सना जावेद, congratulations, in order.
A current actor that you might think is hot and sexy. Age का इसमें कोई ताल्लुक नहीं है. Male actor.
Can I be included in that group?
तुम्हारी आएगी.
तुम्हारा आएगा. I think Umair Rana is he's a dear friend, our dear friend. But also he's a fantastic actor. And he's classy. I could finally have a conversation about music, art,
बहुत ज़्यादा
poetry.
conversation नहीं करना बस.
हो गया ना, चुड़ैल्स भी किया था.
अगर चुड़ैल बनने की जरूरत है तो.
But Umair is the cutest. Like I could talk about anything under the sun with him.
Alright, done. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, gift packet box आपका नहीं हुआ अभी तक. अभी तक फहद की बारी है.
Done.
उनके सवाल बेहतर हुए तो. Fahad, coming to you.
Alright, let's do this.
Which Pakistani actress do you think has had a lot of work done?
I think Matthia's got a lot of work done.
Where?
Everywhere. A lot of work done down south. Yeah.
हम इस शो से बाहर जिंदा नहीं जा सकेंगे.
If you woke up as the Prime Minister of Pakistan, you would?
I would focus on the people of the country, not the land. The people of the country, because the land is not Pakistan. The people are.
Good answer. Good answer. Thank you. What's the most embarrassing thing your partner has ever done in front of you?
Deep सांसें ले रहा है. ऐसे कई मौके आए हैं.
अकड़ी क्या?
Let's not go to off the.
One छोटा सा.
I think kabhi few instances where someone is talking to me and a girl is there and we're talking and she's talking work because मुझे मिलने के लिए महीने तक ना wait करना पड़ता है. So when they see me at a party they go great, we can meet him.
Yeah.
They don't have to go through, don't have to wait suddenly and they just want to not let go. तो सरवत आती हैं और बिल्कुल वहाँ पे ना कि भाई बात सुने, आप क्लिनिक चलें, हाथ पकड़ के मिले जाते. And so that's.
It's my time, man.
मतलब तुम कस्टमर भगा देती हो
तो मतलब दिहाड़ी खराब, but it's very like मतलब और ऐसा भी नहीं ना कि subtly, मतलब बिल्कुल like boom खत्म चले like that. So it's among lesser things, among lesser things what that I can talk about. There have been others.
What's worse to forget, an anniversary or a birthday?
None. Valentine's Day.
Valentine's Day, no?
I am scarred. I cannot tell you. No matter what you get. Doesn't matter. If you don't get that rose
at 12
a.m. on the 13th, you're screwed. No matter what you do afterwards, end of story. Like I have PTSD from Valentine's Day से मुझे post-traumatic stress disorder.
12 तारीख से तुम पागल हो जाते हो basically.
भाई और somehow ऐसे होता है कि सब ले आते हो वो रोज जो है ना वो 13 की रात जब 14 की 12 a.m. वो रोज नहीं आता तो बस then it's
फिर रोज गड़बड़ है. But मैं आपको बताऊँ मैंने एक दफा क्या किया दीपक. मैंने एक दफ़ा फहद को क्लिनिक पे बहुत ब्यूटीफुल बड़ा सा बुके भेजा और किसी और की राइटिंग में मैंने बहुत ही ज़रा टैकी सा एक मैसेज भेजा. इससे मुझे डरते फ़ोन किया. उसने कहा बेबी तुमने कुछ भेजा है? मैंने कहा नहीं. मैंने कहा क्यों, क्या हुआ? नहीं कुछ नहीं हुआ. मैं ठीक हूँ, मैं कह रहा हूँ 6 बजे.
I'm like छुपा दो.
Classic.
It was so fun.
Pretend it never happened. I don't know who it is. Just pretend it never happened.
बाद में कार्ड खोल के गिरे.
Fill in the blanks. Or let's just say an actress that needs an appointment with you.
सारी हैं किस
No, I'm just trying to be respectful.
एक का नाम ले लो जिसने काम करवाया और तुमने छुपा के रखा हुआ बता नहीं रहे.
ऐसे बता ही नहीं सकते.
अमानत है उनकी मेरे पास. Can't ever disclose that information.
मतलब it's not like hair club के बिलबोर्ड लगा के सब अपनी शक्लें लगा दे.
हम तो ऐसे जब मैं तो क्लिनिक में ऐसे छुपा रहा होता सोचता हूँ गर्लफ्रेंड एक आई यहाँ से आई तो इसको उस कमरे में.
तो एक नाम बता दो जिसको एतराज ना हो.
One that needs employment with me, Mathira. Safe. Sorry.
What advice would you give to Shaista Lodhi?
I would tell her to tone down, just go slow. Because she's a beautiful woman, but if you keep on doing these treatments, then you get filled up with something, a gel which is not natural, and start showing.
पानी भर जाता है।
वो पानी पी के वो जेल भर जाता है ना, तो आपका फेस थोड़ा अजीब लगने लगता है। So you gotta go slow.
Okay. At gunpoint, if someone had said that you have to marry an actress, who would you pick?
If I'm marrying an actress.
Gunpoint पे.
Gunpoint पे. I would marry. Thank you for putting the gunpoint.
नहीं, an actress जिससे शादी हुई उनकी बात नहीं हो रही।
Thank you for saying gunpoint.
You're not winning this डब्बा।
नहीं, if you were single.
But I'm saying thank you for saying gunpoint because I was on gunpoint, so my choice is under duress.
Under duress.
It's not like I'm dying to do it.
You're not.
But I'd probably be Mahira.
ओए आया भी तो ऊपर से आया।
Gunpoint पे
Mahira किसको
No, मतलब मैं तो मतलब
Cutie, I agree.
Oh, in a bad way. In a bad way.
नहीं, in a good way.
True or false? I've checked out a patient's Instagram.
True.
Who according to you has the brightest future? Sajal Ali, Sabur Ali, Hania Amir, Sana Javed.
Sajal Ali.
Yeah.
A current actress you think is really hot, apart from Sarwar.
You're so smart. You play it so safe.
Thank you. I appreciate that. I appreciate that. I think Mahira is really hot and really sexy.
Wow.
I think she's very classy also.
Last question. Do you spy on your wife's social media accounts?
Sometimes. Just to keep check. Random checks. Sometimes. I will not tell you the frequency.
All right.
But random checks.
That's
All
not
right, guys.
so frequent.
Chapa. This was a rapid fire round और इसी पे हम शो के एंड पे आते हैं। मेरे ख्याल में सरवत ने डेफिनेटली ज़्यादा अच्छे जवाब दिए हैं। ऑडियंस अग्री करेगी। पेपर तो घर पे ही जाना है, दोनों ने खा लेना, मियां बीवी बच्चों ने। लेकिन Sarwat wins this mystery box.
Thank you, Deepa.
I think that's a bit of prejudice also. You've always favored Sarwat more.
Well,
I've always seen that. हमेशा से
मैं तुम्हें ईदी बटवे में से अलग दे रही हूँ। फिक्र क्यों कर रही? As we come to the end of आपकी कहानी with दीपक परवानी, पहले तो हम सरवत और फहद का शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहेंगे। कोई शो पे आए, उन्होंने अपना टाइम दिया। It was lovely talking to both of you.
It was lovely being here, Deepak. You're such a fantastic host. Now, I didn't know that. I've known you over decades and you're fantastic. You should do this more often.
I think this is definitely something that you should do.
Thank you.
Thank you for the love.
Thank you मेरी जान। रैबर कूलर आपका हुआ। Okay. और ईदी में दूंगा जरूर। और इसमें we would like to close आपकी कहानी with दीपक परवानी जी। I hope आपको ये एपिसोड पसंद आया, आपको ये सेकंड एपिसोड पसंद आया। ऐसे एपिसोड बहुत होंगे और बहुत सारे खूबसूरत लोग आएंगे और अपनी अपनी खूबसूरत कहानियाँ हमें सुनाएंगे, सिर्फ डॉन न्यूज़ पर। शुक्रिया। थैंक यू।